SodaFit, does it burn fat or just burn through your money? Because the pitch is wild. Baking soda, huge weight loss claims. Dr. Oz supposedly behind it? Seriously? Okay, let's check it. I found the ad on Facebook. Big headline. This baking soda trick helped me go from 208 to 134. And here's the recipe. Mystery white powder, apple cider vinegar, baking soda, water, except look at the glass. It's lying on its side, and not a single drop of water comes out. Totally real. Apparently the miracle starts before you even drink it. So I click get the full recipe. It sends me to a special presentation. There's a video and fake looking comments underneath. You can't like them, can't reply, can't click anything. They're just text. Very authentic. Then the video starts. Oprah, Kelly Clarkson, Dr. Oz. Everybody showed up. I watched the whole thing, and after all that talk about a simple homemade recipe, guess what they eventually try to sell you? SodaFit. Wait, what happened to the recipe? So I went back and found the part where they supposedly reveal the real one. Here it is, baking soda, lemon. Then they say there are 2 more simple ingredients you already have at home. Okay, now compare that with the Facebook ad. There, we had baking soda, apple cider vinegar, water, and a mystery white powder. No lemon, and in the video, honey shows up too. Then it disappears. So between the ad and the video, we now have baking soda, vinegar, water, mystery powder, lemon, and honey. 6 ingredients. For a simple recipe, they seem pretty confused about what's actually in it. And the mystery white powder? Never explained. Convenient. What they do explain is that all the benefits of this baking soda recipe are supposedly inside SodaFit. Of course they are. But remember how this started. A simple recipe, cheap, easy, ingredients you supposedly already have in your kitchen. So how do we get from that to an expensive supplement? Easy, the video ends, and suddenly a hidden section of the page opens up, and there it is, SodaFit. The supplement's supposedly based on this cheap baking soda trick, except now the cheap recipe costs $49, $59, or $69 per bottle, depending on the package. Yeah, that got expensive fast. So I opened the checkout page, and immediately, more nonsense. There's a 4-star rating. 4 stars also seem to be the maximum. Why? No idea. Then we get a bunch of official-looking badges and seals, certificates maybe, except there are no links, no documents, nothing to verify. They're just pictures. Then comes my favorite part. Your order is reserved. There's a countdown timer. Mine hit 0, and nothing happened. The checkout stayed open. I could still buy it, so I refreshed the page. Boom, another 15 minutes. Amazing. My expired reservation came back from the dead. That's not a deadline, that's pressure. Then we get the happy customers, pictures, testimonials, people holding bottles, and the video goes even bigger. It claims more than 115,000 American women have already tried this and gotten results. 115,000. Okay, so where are they? I searched Google specifically for SodaFit mentions on Trustpilot. Nothing came up. Now, that alone doesn't prove nobody bought it, but for a product claiming 115,000 users, not exactly reassuring. And here's where it gets even more interesting. This same baking soda pitch is also used to sell other supplements, like SodaSlim, and SodaSlim does have Trustpilot reviews. Some say, very bad product. The capsules don't work. Results did not meet expectations. So no, I would not blindly trust the testimonials on this sales page. But what about Oprah, Dr. Oz, Kelly Clarkson? They're right there in the video. That must mean it's legit, right? Yep. No. Those endorsements are fake. Dr. Oz has publicly warned that scammers use his name, image, and AI-generated videos to make it look like he endorses products he has nothing to do with. Oprah has warned about fake weight loss promotions using her name and image too. So seeing a celebrity in one of these ads proves exactly one thing. They found a celebrity picture. That's it. So, SodaFit. Does it burn fat? I can't find solid evidence here that it does. Does it burn money? At $50 a bottle and up? Yeah, that part works perfectly. Thanks for watching. Stay skeptical.